Here's something remarkable: if you're reading or hearing this, it's not a coincidence. The universe has a way of placing the right message before us at the perfect time, and this moment is for you. The year ahead, 2025, is brimming with opportunities, and it's inviting you to step into your full potential and crush it like never before. So, let's talk about how you can align with this call and make it your most extraordinary year yet. The truth is, life responds to the way we perceive ourselves and the world. Everything you'll experience in 2025 will flow directly from the beliefs you hold right now. Your thoughts, feelings, and assumptions create your reality. So, ask yourself, what story are you telling about your life? Is it a story of abundance, possibility, and empowerment, or is it one of limitations and doubts? Because here's the secret: you get to rewrite that story starting today. To crush it in 2025, you must begin with your inner dialogue. The words you silently speak to yourself are the seeds of your future experiences. If you say, "I'm not ready," the world will reflect that hesitation back to you. But if you boldly affirm, "I am capable, I am ready, and I am unstoppable," the universe will rise to meet that confidence with opportunities, people, and circumstances that align with your belief. You see, the universe operates on a simple yet profound law: energy flows where attention goes. Whatever you focus on with intensity and consistency will expand in your life. If you focus on problems, they'll multiply. But if you focus on solutions, growth, and success, those things will dominate your experience. So, let this be the year you direct your attention intentionally. Write down your goals, visualize their fulfillment, and feel the joy of achieving them as though it's already done. This simple practice is more powerful than you can imagine. Equally important is to trust the timing of your life. Sometimes, we want instant results, and when they don't show up, we doubt ourselves or give up. But the universe works in its own perfect rhythm. Your role is not to force things but to remain faithful to your vision and take inspired actions. Consistency in belief and action is what turns dreams into reality. Trust that what you desire is already making its way to you, even if you can't see it yet. Another key to crushing it in 2025 is letting go of what no longer serves you. This might mean old habits, limiting beliefs, or even relationships that drain your energy. Clearing out the clutter of your life creates space for new and better things to enter. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack full of unnecessary items on a journey. You'd never reach your destination with ease. The same applies to your emotional and mental space. Let go of the weight, and you'll move forward with clarity and purpose. Let's build on the incredible momentum we've started. As we stand at the threshold of 2025, it's important to talk about the small, often overlooked details that shape extraordinary outcomes. One of the most critical actions you can take is to become fully present in your daily life. Being present doesn't just mean noticing the world around you, it means consciously participating in every moment. How often do we rush through our days, distracted by tasks and consumed by worry, missing the subtle signals and opportunities life offers us? When you tune into the present moment, you open yourself to clarity and insight that can change everything. In practical terms, this might mean starting your mornings with intentionality. Instead of immediately jumping into work or checking your phone, spend a few minutes setting an intention for the day. Ask yourself, what energy do I want to bring to the world today? How can I align my actions with my highest goals? This is not just about achieving more, it's about doing so with purpose and ease. When you start your day on a clear and focused note, the hours ahead will naturally align with your intentions. Moreover, let's talk about resilience. One of the greatest myths about success is that it happens without setbacks. In reality, those who crush it in life are the ones who know how to turn challenges into stepping stones. It's not about avoiding difficulties, it's about learning from them and using those lessons to propel yourself forward. If something doesn't go as planned, ask yourself what it's trying to teach you. Each experience holds value if you're willing to look for it. Cultivate the mindset that every obstacle carries within it the seed of greater growth. Another powerful principle is that of giving. Often, we think of success as something to be achieved individually, but the act of giving, whether it's your time, knowledge, or resources, can be transformative. When you approach life with an open hand rather than a closed fist, opportunities flow to you more freely. Giving isn't just about charity, it's about creating a cycle of abundance that enriches both you and those around you. Seek ways to contribute meaningfully to others' lives, and you'll find that the rewards come back tenfold. Additionally, 2025 can be the year you prioritize the art of decision-making. Every choice you make, no matter how small, contributes to the larger mosaic of your life. Successful people aren't necessarily the smartest or the most talented, they are the ones who make bold, clear decisions and stand by them. Start making decisions with the confidence that your inner wisdom will guide you. When faced with uncertainty, trust your instincts. You're more capable of choosing the right path than you may realize. Let's discuss something else that often goes unnoticed: rest and renewal. In the hustle to achieve your goals, don't overlook the importance of giving yourself time to recharge. Rest is not a sign of laziness, it's a necessary part of sustained success. When you prioritize sleep, relaxation, and moments of stillness, you replenish your energy and creativity. Make self-care an integral part of your strategy for success. As you step into this year, recognize the power of gratitude. Gratitude is like a magnet for blessings. The more you focus on what you already have and feel grateful for, the more you'll attract to be thankful for. Make it a habit to start and end your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice can shift your energy and open doors you never imagined. Surround yourself with people and environments that uplift and inspire you. Energy is contagious, and when you're in the company of those who believe in possibilities and share a positive outlook, it reinforces your own belief in what's possible. The truth is, most people underestimate the power of daily habits. These small, seemingly insignificant actions compound over time, shaping the trajectory of your life in ways you may not even realize. Think of it like planting seeds. Each choice you make, how you spend your time, the thoughts you entertain, and the words you speak, is like placing a seed in the soil of your life. Some seeds grow into magnificent results, while others may sprout weeds that choke out your potential. The key is to plant consciously and consistently nurture the growth you want to see. Start by asking yourself this: what habits do I have that are silently working against me? It could be something as simple as procrastination or scrolling mindlessly through social media. Identify these habits and replace them with intentional practices that support your goals. It doesn't have to be a complete overhaul of your life. Even a 1% improvement every day can lead to massive changes over the course of a year. Note, 2025 isn't just another year, it's a blank canvas, waiting for you to paint your masterpiece. Everything you need to succeed is already within you. The universe has already extended the invitation, now it's up to you to say yes. Take that first step today, no matter how small it seems. Your journey to greatness begins now. 2025 is yours to shape, and it starts with the decisions you make today. The message you've received here isn't accidental, it's an invitation to rise to your potential and meet the year with boldness and determination. If you say, "I'm not ready," the world will reflect that hesitation back to you. If this resonated with you, take a moment to let it sink in, and then act. Don't let another day slip by without aligning yourself with the vision of the life you want to live. As you step forward, hold on to this truth: you are capable of extraordinary things. The year ahead is brimming with possibilities, and every action you take brings you closer to the life you desire. Let's make 2025 the year you unleash your full potential.